Now we will talk about the absolute value equations. So mathematical equations that has absolute value in it, those are called absolute value equations. Like absolute value of x is equal to 3. This is absolute value equation because this is an equation. We have two mathematical expression with the equal sign in the middle, and we have the absolute value in this equation. So let's first see how we read this. We have x inside the absolute value. So how to read this? That means the distance of x from 0 is, so absolute value is the distance. Distance of x from 0 is equal to 3, is 3 units. So if we graph this, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So that means x will be here. Because this distance is 3 units, that means x is equal to 3. Correct? Now, if you go to this side, left side of 0, this distance is also 3 units. If x is here, distance from 0 is also 3 units at this point. That means x can also be equal to -3. So in other words, you can say that whenever we are given the absolute value equation, absolute value of x is equal to 3, we can remove the absolute value sign and we can write two equations. One equation, x is equal to 3, and the second equation is remove the absolute value sign and change the sign of the right hand side, -3, and solve both equations for x. We get two solutions. Let's do one more question here. So let's solve 2x plus 1, absolute value of x is equal to 3. So our aim is to isolate x. So first we have to remove the absolute value sign, and whenever we remove the absolute value sign, remember we have to consider two cases. One case the same right hand side, the other case is change the sign on the right hand side. Now isolate x. Move the 1 to the other side. 2x is equal to 3 minus 1. So 2x is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 2 to isolate x. We get x value is equal to 1. And now here also we have to isolate x. Move 1 to the other side so that we can combine all x terms on one side and all constant on the other side. We get 2x is equal to -4, and to isolate x we have to do the opposite operation. Since 2 is with the multiplication of x, we will divide both sides by 2. We get x value is -2. So we get two solutions of this equation. So this is how we solve absolute value equations. Thank you.